Hey guys, sorry for the noise in the background, but today I'm going to be doing one of those show your newest fidget and things like that, and I have my headphones on, so I'm going to be picking a fidget, well, and it's balloon edition, balloon edition. Those are all the balloons I have, so balloon fidget twist, so let's see. Your oldest fidget. Okay, that said your oldest fidget. So let's show them my oldest fidget. It's an air silver balloon. Newest. Show your newest fidget. This is silver balloon with rice in it. Show your favorite fidget. No. All my balloons are basically my favorite fidgets, so I'll show you my favorite fidget. Show your least favorite fidget. Okay. Orange air balloon. Show a fidget that nobody else has. I'm just trying to find it. Sorry guys. This video is probably going to be long. Okay. This purple glue balloon and this tiny glue balloon, and that actually feels pretty good. I had another one that popped. And show your a fidget that is not really a fidget. Oh gosh. But you use as a fidget. So, all my balloons are fidgets, kind of, except for, I use this one just because it can be blown up. It's just over here, but I use this one just so I can stretch it, so that's not really a fidget. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye!